Good morning, guys! It's so gloomy today, but whatever. I'm on my day off, and of course, just a quick background. I do videos before, but I haven't done it for maybe about almost 5 something years. So this is another passion for me recently that I bought, some gears, because we've been traveling here and there, so I want to make clips and videos and memories from it. I'm still new to this whole thing again after a while, so please be patient. Okay, so Mama and I are going to Best Buy to get my my insignia or my kits for GoPro, and I bought it online. I'll pick it up in store because there's no thrill on making this video without moving. Hi, Mama. Okay, so we're here at Best Buy and I'm gonna pick up my order online. Okay. Hi, Nikki! Thanks for the early Christmas gift! So I got it. And this is our vital material for every adventure that we're going to have. Bye! Okay, so next stop, papunta tayo ng CVS and Mama's gonna pick up something. She's gonna pick up her medicine. Oh, by the way, I'm using Gopro right now, 7 black, and I'm just testing, indoor and outdoor and some tips and tricks that I got from online. Grabe ang ulan, nakakaloka. Guys, may mga kamukha si Stephen Curry dito. It's still gloomy and raining, and we're going to Costco now. My parental favorite place to do grocery.
Hello, boy.
So she's done for today, and here's her video.